a very small person to answer this question. We have more technical experts who would actually go into the details to answer this. Having said so, I'll try my best to give whatever best information I can. Uh, you see, AI has been there for a very long time, and but with the advent of generative AI, is what has put the pressure on a data center, and then that is where the difference between a traditional data center and a new age AI data center comes. A few components like power density, specialized infrastructure, uh, low latency network infrastructure, right? Cooling systems, back-end operational systems. There are multiple components which one has to consider. Now, what has Control has done? Uh, all these components that I spoke about, there are specialized terms in it. For example, liquid injection cooling, direct chipset cooling, which helps you reduce 90% of the heat directly at the chip level. Overall flow density, if you see the AI machines or the servers are much more heavier as compared to your traditional servers. So you need to design your data center in that way that they are able to take that load. And the most important being because AI and GPUs consume a lot of power. So your power density, your power backups need to be in place. This is what ControlS has done. We have close to 15 data centers in India now, which are fully operational. These are all AI ready. The recent one that we've launched is in Chennai, and that is a 72 megawatt data center. The DNA of the organization has always been working in the services space, help bridge the gap between technology and adoption. That is where you see all our companies that they have been incorporated as and when in different years. They have struck that balance between new technology and adoption. In today's world, while AI is not new, like I mentioned earlier, generative AI has opened the gates and flooded the overall, requirements. As a group, our aim is to, like I mentioned, bridge the gap. What we are doing is the first level is obviously our AI-ready data centers, which is the basic infrastructure that we provide. Our old offerings, which is your basic infrastructure as a service, combined with secure industry clouds. And on top of that, we have created two new business units within our organization. They go by the name 8bit.ai and deepforest.ai. These two business units are specifically working with 100 plus data and AI engineers hired from the likes of Stanford, Harvard, and people who come with more than 10 or 15 years of experience in the AI field. We have built specialized industry solutions. Case in point, and without disclosing the customer name, we are working with one of the largest fintech companies in India, helping them automate their entire human contact center. So whatever work was being done by a human agent now will be done by a AI agent, that too on an agentic framework. This falls under our custom solutions. Another case being we are working with one of the largest pharma companies in India without disclosing their name because we have our NDAs. But this company has close to 40 plus manufacturing plants across India. And if anybody knows a little bit about pharma, and I'll keep it short, every plant has close to 100 plus incidents every month. So imagine the scale of incidents that this customer has. And for every incident, because this is a highly regulated industry, they need to create a RCA, which is root cause analysis, which was done by a human earlier. It used to take 80 to 100 hours per document. So imagine 100 such incidents in a month per plant. All of that can be done in 30 minutes by our AI agent now. The amount we help you save as a customer. So this was under our custom solutions, which are built either on our own cloud, on the GPU cloud, or using hyperscalers like AWS, Azure, Google, where we use their native AI technologies as well as the large language models. GPU as a service is something that we have partnered with the likes of NVIDIA, AMD, Cerebras. So it's the OEM agnostic GPU as a service model where we help per minute and per hour billing for our customers who want to use or leverage GPUs for accelerated cloud platforms or running high performance computing. And the most important is that we have created our own IP called Neutrino. It is a agentic framework for operational excellence, can be applied in any industry and any field. These are agents, and I have to give you a very simple example. Gone are the days where you want to use, the likes of Power BI or other tools to, create management dashboards, which were always n minus one. In today's world, Neutrino can give you real-time information. It collects data from your primary data sources, and at a chat or a voice command, I as a CXO or a CEO can fetch data. What is my sales as of right now? So that is the power of AI that we are enabling our customers with.